So that's the avenue. They pretty much seek out contracts for you.
Yeah.
Things like that.
So is that like the benefit? A lot of times people go with these known franchises.
It's somewhat of a benefit if you they have like low costs, but it's a lot of hidden costs because they take in off top roughly 20% just for a partnership. But if they find a contract for you, it's like a 3.5 plus the 20%, 3.5 of the face value. So if it's $1,000 contract, to keep the numbers low, they already getting 20%, so it's 800, and then they're getting 3.5 with 1,000. So they'll finance you if they found a contract for you.
So they're making money on the finance charge too.
Right. So,
Okay.
but it's something you can learn a lot from them.
Yeah.
But ultimately, I feel you should do your own because
Okay.
But it's nothing wrong going that route. But
Okay.
you can learn, but you should still seek to do your own thing.
So maybe that's a route for a person to take just to kind of get the game, so to speak.
Yeah, no doubt.
Okay.
No doubt.